Level 7. The Internet Dreamer. This is you. You watch too many movies, and now you think the internet is a giant vending machine for solving problems. You imagine secret websites, 5-star reviews, and a buy now button. But reality is less cinematic and more embarrassing. Most of these sites don't sell solutions. They sell you. Level 6. The Cheap Beginner. This is you, thinking you found a real deal. The price is suspiciously low. The profile picture looks tough. The grammar looks worse. You send the money anyway, because hope is cheaper than logic. 2 hours later, the account disappears. No service. No refund. Just you. And a very expensive lesson. Level 5. The Desperate Do-It-Yourself. This is you, after watching 3 tutorials and suddenly believing you're an expert. No skills. No plan. Just confidence. And a very bad idea. You open your toolbox like it's a secret weapon case. 5 minutes later, you realize the only thing you built is a bigger problem. Level 4. The Cold Professional. This is you, treating everything like a spreadsheet. No emotion. No panic. Just tasks and checkboxes. You don't run. You don't rush. You schedule problems like meetings on a calendar. Efficient? Yes. Human? Not really. Level 3. The Loud Operator. This is you, thinking volume equals power. Big entrances. Big gestures. Big promises. You want everyone to notice, even when nobody asked. For a moment it works. People look. People listen. But noise fades fast, and silence always comes back. Level 2. The Invisible One. This is you, doing everything quietly. No posts. No bragging. No footprints. People don't remember seeing you. They just realize you were there. No spotlight. No noise. Just results that nobody can trace. Level 1. The System Itself. This isn't you anymore. There's no face. No profile picture. No username. Just rules and people following them. At this level, nobody feels responsible, because responsibility was divided into 1,000 tiny pieces. You don't fight a person here. You fight a process. So, where are you on this ladder? The loud one? The invisible one? Or just the dreamer? Relax. This was never about them. It was always about choices. And next time, we climb a different ladder.